What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. I'm Gabe, and I'm going to be doing a very short video today on a little hiccup that I came across. Well, I've had a couple hiccups with my 2010 Camaro SS recently, but this is like the most urgent one, and it's also one of the most comedic in my opinion. So I'll try to make this very brief. Recently, I've been trying to take off my wheels because I need to do it for the next mod that I'm going to be doing to the car, which I will again show you at a later point, and once this gets resolved, of course. But I can't do it because this wheel lock broke completely, and I'll show you. This is how it looks like right now. It's completely stripped, and it should look like this. All right, so we'll come around over here, and as you can see, it has like this little pin in the middle where the key will just slide in. This one's a little rusty, and but it's still good. I could still actually take it out if I need to. This is the key. All right, and it'll fit in there barely. Actually, kind of like stuck now. Yeah, you see, it just dances around. You guys are probably asking yourselves, well, which wheel locks did you use? Well, these are it. Really cheap and ugly ones from AutoZone, which I do not recommend, just because they are very easy to access. I think they're like 20 or 30 bucks to buy them, and on top of that, they're not really good quality, as you can clearly see. Now, the worst part about this is that it's really wide here, so there's really no room to work with. Like, I can't even like slide a socket in here and, you know, hammer it in and then, you know, try to like twist and, you know, work with that. But I literally have zero space in here. So I've taken it to already 3 places, actually. Jesus, the county. 3 places, and 3 of those places keep telling me, no, you should check out this place. No, you should check out that place. They could do it. So I came to the last one, which is Wheel Doctor, which, you know, you would think that they would have some expertise in this, and they did. But they actually recommended me to another place, which I will update you guys in a future video once I get it resolved, if I get it resolved. Those type of locks have like this really weird design where it just literally gives you no space. I mean, I guess it's good for security purposes, but if it backfires, which it clearly did, it's just gonna be an impossible job for the owner of the car or whoever needs to take it off. The primary concern for me is cost, because, you know, this seems to be like a very specialist job. And of course, the condition of the wheel afterwards. I imagine that, you know, this area is gonna get completely destroyed. If it gets really bad, I might have to powder coat the whole wheel again, and then that's another 185 bucks plus whatever the charge is to actually go ahead and remove it. I would not be surprised if I see like a $200 bill at the end of all this, since it's a specialist job. But it does seem to be lodged in there pretty badly. I don't know, I'm a little concerned, just because I really want to do the next mod, and I have to get the tires and the wheels off in order for me to do it. So guys, that is the situation right now. I'm being really selective as to where I drive my car, just in case, you know, I by any chance step on something and I have to, you know, get it towed because I get a flat tire and I literally cannot take it out. So it's going to be a big mission if something bad happens. So I probably won't be driving it for the next couple of days while I figure out what I'm going to do. And yeah, guys, so if you guys have any sort of recommendations on perhaps, or any videos or any content that I can watch on something so specific like this, again, this is like a niche type of wheel lock, because I've seen other wheel lock videos and they're nothing like these, which is why I kind of don't recommend them, because they're not good quality. And if for whatever reason you lose the locks or something, you literally have zero chance of putting in a socket, like the socket method where you just, you know, hammer it in. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is the sort of quick update on the car. Hope you guys found this somewhat informative and entertaining, a little bit of a warning at that. And I will keep you guys posted when I decide, well, when I actually fix this issue. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.